Hello and welcome to your English class. One way to know that you have learned a lot is when you are able to read and understand what you have read and say the English language fluently. And to do that, we need to start by mastering letters and their sounds. Why? Because the English language is merely a combination or blending of the alphabet. Seems easy? Well, I'll make sure we will make it easy for everybody. So let's start with the alphabets. I know that you are still familiar with them. Parang grade 1 lang. They are divided into two groups, the vowels and the consonants. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. The vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Consonants, on the other hand, would include the letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now that we have reviewed what these letters are, let's hear how they sound. Let's begin with how each of these vowels sound. Remember, we have the letters A, E, I, O, and U. Let's start with the letter A. It sounds A, A, as in fast, last, bash, cash, and mash. A. Next is the letter E. It sounds eh, eh, as in best, west, jest, next, and next. Now we go to the letter I. The letter I sounds E. E, as in it's, if, pick, six, stick, and drip. E. Next is O. O sounds aw, as in of, got, hot, blot, and boss. Aw. And the last is the letter U. It sounds as in us, cut, much, bust, must. That's our vowel sounds. Let's continue this time with the consonant sounds. Let's have the letters B, C, and all the way through the letter Z. Let's begin with B, as in B, B, as in Bob, boy, bat. C has the sound K, K, for cake, cat, cup. Then we go to letter D. D has the sound D, D, as in day and dad. For the letter F, it's for the words fan and fault. We go to G. G sounds G, G, as in the words goat and go. What about the letter H? H has the sound as in hotel, hat. J, on the other hand, has the sound J, J, as in Jack and Jill. K has the sound K, K, as in kite and kitten. What about L? You're correct. L has the sound L, L, as in lime and love. M this time has the sound M, M, as in mango and mother. N has the sound N, N, as in numbers, nanny. P will have the sound P, as in puppet or pancreas. Q has the sound Q, Q, as in queen and Q. Next is the letter R. Letter R sounds R, R, as in roar or rub. S has the sound S, S, as in the words stand and sit. T has the sound T, T, as in tall and tame. V has the sound V, V, as in victory or violin. W has the sound W, W, just like the words water and well. X has the sound X, X, as in xylophone and box. We go to the letter Y. Y has the sound Y, Y, as in yo-yo and yell. And the last, we have the letter Z. It sounds Z, Z, as in zoo and Zulu. There you have it. Make the sound of each letter starting from B to Z. Now you try it. In 3, 2, 1, go. Great! Let's try reading the following simple words found on the left side of the page. Begin, after, and beyond. What if we remove the vowels in each word? Removing E and I in the word begin will leave the letters B, G, N. Can you read the word? How about removing A and E in after? Let's hear you. Say that again. And lastly, if we take away E and O in the word beyond, how will you read what is left? Again. Don't we sound silly? Exactly because the words that we understand are made by the combination and blending of vowels and consonants. Like I promised, we will make sure that at the end of the year we would be talking fluently. Let's move further with blends. The vowels, when blended with consonants, may either give a short sound or a long sound. Why short? Because you are saying it quickly, mabilis. Like, for short A, it's ah, ah, as in the word cat, cat. You don't say cat, it's cat. May lambing sa gitna, cat. Short A, ah, ah. Let's move on to short E. It should sound eh, mabilis, as in bed, bed. Short E is eh, eh. What about short I? Short I should sound eh, eh, as in the word sit, sit. You don't say seat because it will have a different meaning. You say sit, sit. Sa Tagalog, upo. Brownie, you sit, sit. Short I. For short O, it's gonna be ah, ah, as in top, top. You don't say top, it's top, ah. For short U, it is as if you are saying the letter A very hard. It's ah, ah, as in sun, sun. Again, for short U, it's ah, ah. Did you get that? Wonderful. What about the long vowel sounds? This is a whole lot easier. All you have to do is say the letter sounds longer, like A, for long A, as in cake, cake, A. For long E, it's gonna be E, as in keep, keep, E. For long I, it's I, as in bike, bike. As if you're reading the letters A and Y in Tagalog. I. For long O, it's like reading the letters O, W. For O. O, as in home, home. Long O. Lastly, for long U, it's like reading the letters Y and U in Tagalog. Like you, you, as in cute, cute. O, diba? Ang dali. So let's hear these sounds when they are used in a sentence. All sentences labeled A have short sounds, while those in B's have the long sounds. Let me do it first. When his leg was cut, there was a lot of blood. That pretty little kitten is so cute. Rob was in a quarantine facility. A kimono is a Japanese robe. What are you wearing that hat for? I hate this hot weather. Now you do it. In 3, 2, 1, go. That's wonderful. Well, that's it for today. Thank you guys and see you next time. Oh, by the way, should you have questions for me, make sure to write them down in your assignment notebook. Then we will try to answer them when we meet again. Good day.